Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Homeopathy World. I am Dr. Samina and this is my read along series of Allen's Keynote. In this series, every day we are going to discuss one remedy from Allen's Keynote. This is basically to have a good revision of all the remedies of our Materia Medica from Allen's Keynote. So as you all know that the first remedy from Allen's Keynote is Abrotanum. So today we are going to discuss Abrotanum in detail. As you all know, the common name of Abrotanum is southernwood and the family is Compositae. So the constitution of Abrotanum, especially Abrotanum, is a medicine which is suited to children. So as you can see, the constitution is also marasmus of children with marked emaciation, especially of legs. Now you see similar type of emaciation in iodum, but iodum is having great debility along with profound emaciation. Similar marasmus is seen in sanicula, where there is a progressive type of emaciation. There is continuous emaciation in sanicula. And in tuberculinum, you find extreme weakness and general debility along with emaciation. Now moving on to the skin. Skin of Abrotanum is flabby and hangs loose in folds, especially of neck. Now the same type of flabbiness is also seen in Natrimur and Sanicula, especially of the neck. Now let's move on to the mental generals of Abrotanum. The child is ill-natured, irritable and cross. So what do we mean by cross? Cross means the child always answers rudely. Also, the child is despondent. Despondent means hopeless. The child has lost all hopes. Also, you can see characters as violent, inhuman and would like to do something cruel in Abrotanum. The child is basically very cruel or rude in nature. Physical generals, there is ravenous hunger, that is uncontrollable hunger, and the child loses flesh while eating well. Now the same symptom, losing flesh while eating well, is seen in iodum, Natrimur, Sanicula and tuberculinum. So what symptom do you get from your patient? The patient says, I eat enough food but I am not gaining weight. Or parents come to you by saying that our child eats enough but he is not gaining weight. So in that case, Abrotanum can be considered. Now let us discuss the head symptoms in Abrotanum. In marasmus, the head becomes weak and the child cannot hold up head, similar to Ethusa. The head holding is difficult. The face looks pale, old and wrinkled, which is similar to opium. Now let's move on to the gastrointestinal or abdominal symptoms. Patient is having alternate constipation and diarrhea along with lienteria. So what is lienteria? Lienteria is nothing but passage of undigested food particles. Extremities, painful contraction of limbs from cramps or following colic. In rheumatism, you will see the patient is having excessive pain before the swelling commences. Now, this particular thing is very important, that this swelling is not commenced yet. So, the pain starts before the swelling comes and from suddenly checked diarrhea or other secretions. And also that in rheumatism, the pain is alternate with hemorrhoids or with dysentery. So you can see rheumatism alternates hemorrhoids or dysentery. This is a classical symptom. Now moving on, Abrotanum is also indicated in gout or joint stiffness, swelling with pricking sensation of wrist ankle joints, painful and inflamed. So you can see there is very lame and sore feeling all over the body. And in marasmus, there will be only lower extremities will be affected. So again, this is one of the more important indications of Abrotanum, that in marasmus, only lower extremities will be indicated. In fever, there is great weakness with prostration, that is again tiredness and general debility, and a kind of hectic fever with children, and where children are unable to stand. So as you can see, the entire remedy is focused more on the children. Okay, so we can comfortably say that Abrotanum is a children's remedy. Skin, it causes itching chilblains, and it is similar to agaricus. Now, what are chilblains? Chilblain is painful itching on the extremities. Now let's move on to the relationship. Relationship, as you can see, it can be given after hepar in furuncle and after aconite and bryonia in pleurisy, when a pressing sensation remains in affected site impeding the respiration. So that is the relation. Now as you can see, I have marked all the important terms that were to be understood from this remedy. So what you can do is, you can open your Allen's keynote and you can go through this entire remedy that we have discussed right now and mark the important meanings from this particular remedy, so that it will be easy to understand when you are reading your Allen's during your exams. So that was the Abrotanum remedy from Allen's keynote. So the next remedy is obviously Aceticum acidum, and that we will discuss in the next video. Thank you so much, and please do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get the notification on my latest updates. Thank you.